An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. He had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. The bundle was made of 4 sticks. "It's child's play," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained intact. He used more force. He tried again and again. He started panting for breath. The bundle would not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of 4 sticks without success. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. He asked each brother to take 1 stick and try to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the lesson went home. The brothers stopped fighting each other. They would work together as a team and succeed in doing whatever work was given to them. The 4 boys had discovered that unity is strength. Moral of the story: when you work together, you are stronger. If you liked this story, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Your feedback will motivate us even more.